Do you have an Intel Core i5-9400 or are you planning to build a PC around it 2026? Then don't waste your money for the wrong parts. In this video, I will show you the best low, medium, high-end budget PC builds for the Intel Core i5-9400, including gaming performance, video editing performance, and which builds gives best value for money. Let's get started. The Intel Core i5-9400 is an older processor, but it is still a solid choice for many users in 2026. It comes with 6 core and can boost up to 4.1 GHz for gaming, content creation, office work, AutoCAD, and even light video editing. It can still deliver good performance when paired with right components. In this video, I will show you 3 different PC builds: low, medium, high budget build, and at the end I will tell you which one I personally recommended. Build number 1, low budget build. If your budget is limited and you want to a reliable PC for everyday tasks, study, office work, YouTube, and light editing, this build is for you. Components: Intel Core i5-9400 H310 or B365 motherboard, 16GB DDR4 RAM, 512GB NVMe SSD, 450W power supply, budget airflow cabinet. Performance: this build is perfect for web browsing, Microsoft Office, online classes, YouTube 4K playback, AutoCAD basics, light video editing. If you plan to play games, we should add a graphics card later because the Intel Core i5-9 generation does not have a powerful gaming graphics. If you plan to play games, you should add a graphics card later because the i5-9 generation does not have powerful gaming graphics. Who should buy it? Student, office users, beginners, and everyone looking for a budget-friendly PC. Build number 2, medium budget build. Now let's move to the sweet spot. This build offers excellent value for gaming and productivity. Components: i5-9 generation, B365 motherboard, 16GB DDR4 RAM, 512GB NVMe SSD, RTX 3050 6GB graphics card, 550W bronze power supply, good airflow cabinet. Performance: gaming performance, GTA 5 around 90 FPS, Valorant more than 250 FPS, CS2 120 FPS, Fortnite smooth 1080p gaming. Productivity performance: AutoCAD, SolidWorks, video editing, Photoshop, content creation. This is the build most people should choose because it balances price and performance very well. Who should buy it? Gamers, YouTubers, content creators, and engineering student. Build number 3, high budget build. If you want the maximum performance possible with a i5-9 generation, this is the build for you. Components: Intel Core i5-9400 B365 motherboard, 32GB DDR4 RAM, 1TB NVMe SSD, RX 6600 8GB graphics card, 550W bronze power supply, premium airflow cabinet. Performance: GTA 5 Ultra settings, 120 FPS, Forza Horizon 5 90 plus FPS, Cyberpunk 2077 60 plus FPS, modern AAA games, smooth 1080p experience. Professional work by AutoCAD, CATIA, SolidWorks, ANSYS, video editing, multitasking, a smooth experience. The RX 6600 is the one of the best value for money graphics cards you can pair with a i5-9 generation. Graphics card comparison: most people ask which GPU should I choose. Let's compare. GTX 1650. Pros: low power consumption, affordable. Cons: only 4GB VRAM, becoming outdated. RTX 3050 6GB. Pros: good for gaming performance, DLSS support, low power usage. Cons: slightly more expensive. RX 6600 8GB. Pros: best gaming performance, 8GB VRAM, excellent value. Cons: slightly higher power consumption. My recommendation: if you want the best balance of performance, power consumption, and price, I recommend Intel i5-9 generation, 16GB DDR4 RAM, 512GB NVMe SSD, RTX 3050 6GB. This combination is excellent for gaming, video editing, content creation, and daily usage. If your budget allows, then the RX 6600 build will give you even better gaming performance. So these were the best Intel Core i5-9400 PC builds in 2026. Which build do you like the most? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for the watching. I will see you next video.